Hi, my name's Becca. Welcome to video 7 in my Beginner English Series. Today, we're going to review the subjects. We're going to talk about using to be with how you feel. And we're going to answer the questions, how are you? What's going on? Let's review the subjects. Remember, repetition is important in language learning. I, it's when I am talking. It's me, right? I am in my office. I am Becca. You are watching my video. You. He is a male, a boy. She is a female, a girl. It can be an animal, the dog, or a thing, the cell phone, it. We is when I am included with other people. My son and I, my friends and I. It's me with one or more people. And they are when you're talking about one or more people or things. They, the cat and the rabbit. They, my nail polish. Two, they. They, my daughter and my son. So the glass is it. There's one glass. It. The books are they. There's more than one. It's plural. When I ask, how are you? You answer with the verb to be. Repeat after me. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. Repeat after me. Good. Bad. Okay. He is good. He feels good. He is bad. He feels bad. Maybe he's sad. Maybe he's sick. She is okay. She's okay. Repeat after me. What's up? What's happening? What's going on? These are all very similar. They're the same, more or less. What's up? Nothing. Zero. Nothing. Not much. I am very busy. I have a lot of things to do, many activities to do. I'm tired. Oh, I want to sleep. Everything's good. What's going on with her? There is nothing new in her life. She is busy. She's tired. Everything's good in her life. Maybe she's happy. Okay, guys, let's practice together. Send me a WhatsApp if you want to practice in me and join my online English program. Remember, you need to repeat aloud throughout the video. Watch the video 2, 3, 4 times for practice. All right, guys, I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.